Yo, what's going on, everybody? I'm Eka coming at you, and we are going to start this off with the right foot. Check these bad boys. These are my new workout boots, shoes. We got the Brahma Bull on the back, and then I don't know if you can see this: blood, sweat, respect. The first two you give, the last is earned. And I picked up some other stuff if you've been following me on Instagram. And I'm just excited. Those are sold out all over the States. But Mexico gets them a little late because, Mexico. And I've never been able to pick up stuff like that before. Oh, way too bright. I've never been able to pick up stuff like that before. Um, you know, Not that I'm a sneakerhead or anything. Shit, I just never had the money to. But so it's pretty cool being able to treat myself and buy a few more things. Spend a little bit of the money that I've been fortunate enough to generate over the last little bit. So I had a good day today. But hey, if you're brand new to the channel, my name's Emeka. 3 things I show you how I do here is buy as many sneakers and clothes as you really want. No, it's increase your income, take back your freedom so you can design your ultimate lifestyle. I'm doing me so you can do you. I've been documenting my journey to a passive income lifestyle, living the quote-unquote laptop lifestyle over it's going on a year and a half or so now. And you can follow exactly what I've been doing. My goal is to lay out the blueprint for you so you can basically follow what I did, walk in my shoes, so to speak, no pun intended, and create whatever lifestyle it is that you want to create. So let's get into the weekly update here. It is sunny and it's hot. We got some potatoes, slow cooking, slow roasting, slow baking. On the barbecue here, gonna throw some steaks on, some asparagus, and we have a nice little barbecue today. But let's talk about the business, and let's talk about money. All right. So the goal for this month, for the end of August, by the time we hit up Cancun, on that note, we're doing a self-publishing mastermind in Cancun, Mexico, the September 6th to the 9th. Y'all invited. Tickets start at $397, I believe. I'll have a link in the description for the Cancun Mastermind. Sign up, grab your ticket while you can. We're already 50% sold. We're only having 20 people join us, so it's going to be a very close and intimate event, so we can connect and build relationships and build our businesses together. And I'm reaching out and getting some of the best speakers in their particular fields to talk at this event. It'll change your business. It'll change your life. You can bring your family if you want. Like, some really cool stuff planned, but I would love to personally get to know you and hang out on the beach with you in beautiful Cancun. So details below in the description if you want to check out that. But let's talk about the business. So my goal by the time we hit Cancun, is by August, I want to have my first $30,000 month. So I've known this for a while. I've been slowly building up to it and looking at how to increase my income and different things like that. And in order to do that, I have to be averaging $7,000 a week, about $1,000 a day, right? Simple math. And so I said that at the beginning of this month that I was going to start tracking my income weekly, because I track it monthly, and at the end of the month, I kind of have an idea where I end up, but I don't know exactly. So one of the things that I've learned running businesses is what you measure gets improved. What you measure gets improved. So if you want to measure your sales, or if you want to improve your sales, know your numbers. The better you know your numbers, the more sales you will make, because you're just going to be more tentative to it. You'll be able to adjust things and track things, and it just works. It works like that. So I've been tracking my income. For the last week or so, and last week it was like just over $5,000 in income, so about $5,100. So fell a little short. So I was like, man, okay, I can't really, because there's only 30 days in the month. There's only 4 weeks or so. So it's like I can't really track weekly. I need to be tracking daily, because at the end of the week, if I'm short, like I was short $2,000. There's no time to adjust. There's no time to make it up versus, well, I got the next week. But So I was like, what if I track it daily? And so that's what I've been doing this week and today. So tracking it daily. So today, I was going to count before this video, but whatever. We were at like $1,700 for today so far. I think it was like 17 and change so far. That doesn't include all the book sales from all the platforms, but just some of the bigger ticket items. For my personal brand, coaching, sales, and different things like that. But good. So we're ahead for this week, still making up from last week. But I think what you can take from that is I've been very focused on it. All the activities that I was doing today were driving more sales, driving more business, because I was focused on it. So I've done the same thing with the publishing business, right? In May we did $1,700, and I was like, man, we should probably do more than that. And so I focused on it, had my assistant. So these are the things we're going to focus on for this month. We were able to raise it up to $5,100, and we only put out a couple extra bucks. So what you focus on definitely will improve. Please take that away. Let me know if you agree with that, or if you don't. Let's talk. What's going on with publishing? Published 2 books yesterday, and I hit publish today on a bundle on in one of the niches that I'm in. Spent a bit more time researching this bundle. It's a 4-book bundle, and the first 4 books, let's just say they didn't do that great. They're kind of puttering along, nothing great. So did a little bit more research for this particular keyword, and we're gonna throw it up and see what happens, and just kind of go with it. It's just what you got to do sometimes, right? You adjust, you publish, you adjust, you publish, you adjust. The business isn't a science. People, typically ask me, how do you make more money with publishing? Well, you can publish more books and just understand the market. What's your market? What's your niche demanding? It's starting to smell good. What's your niche demanding? What's trending well on Amazon? What's the difference between, $1,000 a month and $20,000 a month? Number of books and understanding what the market will pay for. That's really it. There's this business isn't overly complicated by any means. It's a pretty much quote unquote, I don't want to use the term cookie cutter business, but essentially it is. It's a simple formula, and once you understand how it works, you just got to do it over and over and over and over again. So enough on that. What else has been going on? I will do an income breakdown. I'll film that right after this and get that up probably tomorrow. Those of you who enjoy checking out those videos, that'll be up. So always look forward to the haters on those idiots. Hey, you only made X amount from publishing. Oh, no fucking shit, man. Come on. But hey, it is what it is. I'm the guy with the camera, so you got to take it all. What else has been going on? I had a few more other things, but my mind is kind of blank right now. The big things I wanted to talk about was that. Yeah. Other than that, guys, maybe the sun's just frying my brain and I can't really think. So let's just end today's video on that note. But hey, thank you all who checked out the live stream. It'll be in the end cards if you missed it. That was a lot of fun. I'm going to be doing some more of those, and I got some videos that I'm going to be getting up this week as well. And oh my God, here's the big thing. Price is going up for my self-publishing blueprint tonight at 12 o'clock, 11:59. It's going to go up. So make sure you pick up your copy today. It's at $297. I believe the current price point. It's going to go up. So grab your copy while you can today. Till next time, everybody, I'm a Mecca. Hope you all doing well. Speak to y'all soon. Take care.